Corey Evans didn't speak as he walked into the federal courthouse on Wednesday. The former LMPD officer pleaded guilty to a federal charge for striking a protester in the back of the head in May of last year. His attorney is asking the federal judge for leniency during sentencing in November.
He wanted to take responsibility for his actions. Obviously, we believe there were a lot of surrounding circumstances that led to this.
Evans was part of the LMPD Special Response Team on May 31st, 2020, during protests over the death of Breonna Taylor. Officers were attempting to arrest people near Brook Street and Broadway. Prosecutors say a protester was kneeling and surrendering with hands up. That's when Evans struck the back of the victim's head with a riot stick, causing an injury that required stitches. Butler says his client is remorseful.
But that doesn't change the fact that he committed the act that he committed.
As part of the plea deal with the U.S. Attorney's Office, Evans would not serve more than 4 years and will have to pay nearly $2,000 in restitution. His attorney hopes the judge considers the circumstances surrounding the day it happened while reviewing the plea agreement.
They were facing gunfire, they were facing Molotov cocktails, they were facing unspeakable danger, and he reacted in a manner that he wishes he wouldn't have, and we hope the courts take that into consideration.
Edward Gray, the acting special agent in charge for the FBI Louisville field office, issued this jarring statement after the plea hearing. While the vast majority of law enforcement officers are hardworking professionals who work conscientiously to protect the public, Corey Evans was simply not one of those officers. This case provides another example that abusing that power and authority will not be tolerated in Louisville. And from now until sentencing, Evans is out on bond. I'm told that the judge and the U.S. Attorney's Office says he is an unlikely flight risk. Reporting live outside the Gene Snyder Courthouse tonight, I'm Shaquille Lord, WLKY.